Hi there, and welcome to Raising SuperLearners. If you have joined this course, chances are you have a child or children in your life that you want to give as much of a leg up as possible. Like any parent, educator, and mentor, you are eager to give them the tools and mindset to ensure that they become rapid, effortless, and lifelong learners. Well, you have come to the right place. My name is Dr. Lev Goldentouch, and I'm a father of 3 smart and beautiful children. I have a PhD in machine learning. Together with my wife, Anna Goldentouch, I have written at length on the topics of learning, memory, and speed reading. We have helped tens of thousands worldwide improve their research skills, creativity, and motivation. In fact, you might just know one of my star students.
Thank you so much, Lev. My name is Jonathan Levy, and I'm a serial entrepreneur, award-winning podcaster, and author of the best-selling online course, Become a SuperLearner. Over the last 4 years, I've worked hard to adapt the teachings that I originally learned from Dr. Lev and Anna into online courses, books, and podcasts that are enjoyed by students in over 190 countries. You know, over the years, as our online courses grew, we began to receive a lot of inquiries about age ranges. How old does a student have to be to learn speed reading and memory techniques? Thousands of parents have reached out to us, eager to enroll their children, and ultimately they've been frustrated when they realize that our adult course is really only suited for ages 13 and up.
Children are much smaller adults. What they lack in experience, reading speed, and abstract thinking, they make up in curiosity, creativity, energy. Our main challenge is teaching our kids new skills while reinforcing their positive qualities. Every child is different, yet some strategies work well with all children. My wife, Anna, even developed a course that can take any child's grades from C to A in 5 days, and has taught thousands of children face-to-face. Somehow other people's children are always easier to educate than our own kids. We have all read up a lot of psychology books, met many wonderful educators, and tried multiple parenting strategies with our own kids. Ultimately, though, I'm proud to say that we have raised 3 incredibly gifted, well-adjusted, possibly autodidactic children simply by approaching their education in a specific and very deliberate way. Now we are ready to share some of our insights and strategies.
Indeed. For my part, though I don't yet have children of my own, I see in Lev's family a lot of the same strategies that my own parents used to make me the man I am today, despite the fact that I struggled very much as a student with various learning disabilities. When Lev and I really started thinking about what a SuperLearner for Kids course would look like, we realized that the best way to approach it would be actually a 2-pronged approach. Lev would present his research and findings, and I would add the context and perspective of what the child might be thinking or feeling in that moment. The end goal is, of course, to help each and every one of you empower the children in your lives to be the absolute most effective learners imaginable, and to have fun while doing it.
We know you are eager to get started, so without any further delays, let's go ahead and dive in.